Hey, my name's Dave Bachinsky. I'm a professional skateboarder and woodworker, visual artist. My craft is basically recycling all these broken boards that would be in a landfill and take these boards that have all these stories in them and make recycled pieces and do something that's creative with them. Not having power in this garage, I'm so psyched to put the Nature's generator to use. I'm gonna have a bandsaw right here and a lathe, utilize the CNC machine and take these skateboards and turn them into something new. First cut, those colors. Yeah, we're gonna make something magical. This thing is so rad. Over the last 3 years, I've lived in this apartment complex and I had everything set up in my workshop, but there's no power. Nature's generator is going right here. The generator is eco-friendly. It doesn't use gas. I can utilize it with the solar panels and have it attached to my CNC machine and create something new that I never usually would be able to do. The raddest part about this generator, I mean, on and off the board, between night missions to woodworking, I'm so psyched to have this and put it to use. Thank you for keeping the missions going.